Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a standing single crochet stitch. So I'm using this mandala yarn from Brand. I roll it up into a ball and this is my end of my yarn. So you could use any hook, any size, whatever project you're working on, you could go ahead and use it. Like this is for when you don't want to create a knot on your piece. You could create a slip knot like this. You just wrap some yarn around your finger like that, and then you go like underneath this loop, grab this loop, and then pull, and then slide. So let's say you wanted to create a standing single crochet onto one of your projects like this. This is just a cup that I made, and let's say you wanted your standing single crochet to start here. So you're gonna push through, and then you're gonna grab your yarn like normal, and then you're gonna pull through the both loops. It's as simple as that. And that's your first single crochet, and you could continue single crocheting like this. And if you wanted to take it all out, it will be a little more easier than if you had a knot, you know. So that's your first single crochet there, and it could be used as a normal single crochet. Yeah, so if you wanted to take it all out, it just comes straight out, and let's go. Yeah.